Can you do that again? Can you show me again?
Yeah.
Okay, come on this side, Asha. Come over here.
So
on this
that
side.
Nana can take.
Yeah.
No, put them here. Start here, यहाँ से.
तू भी उधर चले
यहाँ से
हाँ
रखो.
हाँ
नहीं, यहाँ रख दो. Okay, ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh boy, it went all the way. That's wonderful.
That's such a nice game. That's the
Okay,
puzzle.
One more time.
Mommy, what made me do that again? Let me do it again.
Okay. Dad, why don't you stand on this side? The lighting is
Let me do it again.
Come on this side, Dad. Asha, you come on this side.
Oh, I should take
No,
from
Mom,
that.
turn that off. That's going to make it worse. Come on this side, Asha.
Come down.
This side. Yeah.
Say,
Yeah. Oh, oops.
oops. Oops.
Okay. Here. Let me have this. And maybe I'll make it shorter for you. That's better. Okay, ready? Here.
Look at that.
The balls. 1, 2.
Let me do it.
Okay.
Wow.
It's so much fun. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
It worked.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay! Only 3 balls in there?
Yep.
Oh, let me do it again.
Oh, do it
okay,
again.
3 की जगह.
One,
हाँ.
here,
उसके बाल ठीक कर दे.
and
For the video or for her?
For her, because it's
For both. Video lasts forever.
Wow, that's so neat.
Oops.
That's so neat.
Okay, here, let me fix it, Ashu. Oh, so smart. Here, no, you're very smart. But here, let's put these two here to make it secure. That's very, very smart of you to figure that out. That this is why it's breaking.
Okay, now put the
Okay.
balls.
Okay, here are the 3 balls. Let's put them here. Here. Yeah, that's it.
one here,
1.
2.
You see Asha in the ball?
One here, one.
Oh.
Let's just watch it. Let's watch it where it goes. Okay, Asha, watch the ball as it goes down. Follow it the whole way. Where's it going next?
It's going to here.
Here, watch it.
Good
Oh, stop. What did I do?
Hey.
Another one.
They're all
One more
three
time,
here.
one more time, one more time.
One more time. Anything she likes, she must do one more time.
No, let me do it.
Okay, go ahead. Do you see Asha in the ball? Look in the ball. You can see yourself. 1. Oops. Oh, and 3.
So much fun, Ashish. Oh, it
Oh,
jumped
wow,
out.
it jumped.
How come it came out?
Here's one more. Watch it.
Yeah, there we go, there we go, there we go. There we go, there we go.
One more time. Faster. Faster.
Where'd you get this toy from, Mom?
I had bought it in the garage से. There are so many dinosaur का एक बहुत बढ़िया
And
music है.
Faster?
You want to
It
try to
goes
do it faster? Okay.
Did she learn today this to
Yeah,
make?
today because
Yeah,
last time she was
built it.
too small for this.
Oh yeah.
Mommy knew and how to feed her. Because I didn't. Did I
Yeah.
have a pamphlet for this? No.
She just used to look at them and chew on them before.
Yeah.
Okay.
So much
Okay, so I'm
fun.
going to drop these in and I want you to tell me which one you think is going to go first. Look at them spinning and tell me which one's going to go first. Who's going to go down first? Oh,
She's holding it.
Where did it go?
It disappeared. It disappeared.
It got stuck.
Look,
Magic.
they're in here. How do we fix it?
You rotate them.
How do?
Oh, you know how to fix
Nani
that.
knows the answer.
No, she knew it. Mommy had
That's
showed
like when
her.
Daddy and Nanaji were practicing Hindi Jeopardy.
I can do it. I can do it.
I can
You can do
I
it.
can do it.
You know how to
नहीं
do
यहाँ
that.
से आशु.
ऊपर से बेटे
No, ऊपर से जाओ ना.
ऊपर से जाओ ना रानो.
Okay, you try it.
Oh, she's just doing it. She wants
Put
to
it,
try
put it on the
different.
top. Show me
No,
from
she's
the
trying
top.
different things.
Hey, you fixed it.
Yeah, we did fix it.
I fixed it.
Oh, you just spin this. If it gets stuck, you can spin it. You want to put them on the top?
Now I want to put it in the...
No, I want you to see put on the
She learned it
top.
shortcut.
Okay, how come you... Oh, you want it to get stuck so you can unstick it. I get it. Okay. Ready? Here. Let's see if we put them both in. Maybe they'll both get stuck. They're not getting stuck anymore.
Yeah, because you're putting two.
Okay, next time they get stuck, we'll see. We'll let you push it.
Wow, look at that. That's a nice game. Oh, got stuck.
Oh,
Oh.
No, it went through.
it went through. But you know what? If you don't touch it, then it might get stuck. So let's not touch it and see what happens.
Don't get stuck.
Let's see if it gets stuck.
Get stuck.
If it
No,
gets
it's
stuck-
not.
They don't.
Oh, it
they keep
fell off.
falling off. Uh-oh, now they don't get
They
stuck.
are not getting stuck anymore.